How to send money in Zelle for Chase. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Help Deck. In this guide video, I'll show you the way as to how you can send money in Zelle using the Chase app. But before we get started, if you're new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now you won't need to download Zelle if you already have the Chase app. It's already built into Chase and you can use it immediately. So open your Chase app and tap on the pay and transfer button in the bottom left hand side or the menu. Once you come to this particular page, you have to simply tap on the option that says send money with Zelle. So you just have to tap on that one. Once you tap on that option, simply pick a contact. If you have no recent contacts, then just tap on the add marked by a plus sign next to the search bar on the top right hand side. Now choose someone from your phone's contacts or create a new one by typing in a name and adding their email address and phone number. Once you've done so, type in the amount of money that you want to send on the next particular screen, and then you can also leave a memo for your recipient if you really want to. After that, what you can do is you can simply select an account under the pay from section, which is right over here. You can just go ahead and select an account, and finally just tap on the review and send and check everything once again, such as the amount, the memo and everything else. And if the data is correct, all you have to do is tap on the send it now button, which is at the very bottom of the screen. And this is simply how you can send money in Zelle for Chase. Chase also allows you to schedule your Zelle payments by tapping today on the payment screen and changing the date. Similarly, the app facilitates repeat payments with the toggle on the same screen. In addition, you will also see which of your contacts are already using Zelle in your contact list. Zelle users will have a little Zelle logo by their icons. You can transfer money to contacts not yet using this service too, but they will need to create an account. And we hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.